finally come back again. So Will Warren, I know what you're going to tell me after church. I'm going to go ahead and get my robe fixed. I'm going to wear a robe next week because I haven't looked at myself yet, but I feel incredibly wet. I must look like that for me. So now, we must not allow calamity to cause us to stop short of the goal. When David saw what happened to Uzzah, he became afraid and he neglected to finish the work. David, he became afraid. The work now was to bring the ark back to Judah. Y'all hear me? The ark, the presence of the Lord. Judah, praise to the Lord. The work was to bring the ark back to Judah. The mission was ensure that the presence of the Lord and the favor of the Lord dwelled in one place. The mission was now to ensure that the presence and the favor of the Lord dwelled in the place where praise is. Oh God, y'all help me, you pray for me. The goal now was to bring presence to praise. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna get in real big trouble if this makes it to YouTube. There's gonna be a lot less shouting videos posted this week if the right people hear this. The goal was to bring the presence to the praise, not the praise to the presence. The goal was to bring the presence to the praise, not to run up and down in the church until you hit your head against the wall and hope that you got the presence. The goal was to find the presence and praise in it. Did that make sense to you? Let me say it again. The goal was not to bring Judah to the ark. The goal was to bring the ark to Judah. The goal now was to bring in the presence of the Lord. And when you feel the presence of the Lord, then you praise David, your calamity to break you short of your goal, because you're going to go back to praise and never have the presence. Are y'all ready for me to preach like this? The mission, I said, was to bring presence to praise. But David went back to Judah without the presence. He went back to Judah without the favor. And so David now was praising every Sunday for 3 months. Y'all with me? David was praising every Sunday, but he did not have the presence. David had a two-step and no favor. David had a praise and nothing to show for it except for sweat. David was praising for 3 months and was not being renewed. I wish we could do like Jabez and find the presence of the Lord. And when you get there, just keep it simple, keep it simple. Jabez said, God, enlarge my territory and make sure I don't cause no problems. That's all he did in the presence of the Lord. But David, he stopped short of the journey and he went back to Judah without the presence. I wish the church that is in America could dwell in the presence and not dwell in the praise. I found a church in all my day. I find a church that is favoring the praise and not looking for the presence. I'm going to say it. God is not pleased that there is a church that is focused on the fact that you're praising and not focused on the fact that you don't have the presence. I wish that instead of joining the person with the two-step, that they would join the person with the tears. Instead of joining the person with the dance, I wish they would join the person with the groaning. If you find somebody groaning because they find the presence, get next to them and just stop groaning. But nah, now don't look it on YouTube. So you're going to find the person that is praising and start your dancing. I can do it too. I got you. But at the end of the day, when you get done praising, if you don't have the presence of the Lord, it was just activity. It was raising your heart rate. It's like going to the gym. It don't mean a doggone thing. If you can get the presence of the Lord and take it to praise, I promise things will change in your life. I feel good right there, mother. I feel good right there. Can I dance for about 15 seconds? Just give me some presence of the Lord and take that to praise. I promise that things will begin to David, he took his 30,000 choice men. I'm gonna get you. David, he took his 30,000. The Bible said choice. These were the big dogs. He took the choice men back to Judah without the presence. He went back to Judah without the favor. He prays on Sunday without the presence. He prays on Sunday without the favor of the Lord. If he had the presence, he wouldn't have to ask for favor. The only reason he had to ask for favor in chapter 5, read it, was because he didn't have the presence. In chapter 5, he had to